Kākoʻo Maui programs was built in lieu of the disaster of 2023, the August wildfires. It was the calling for Hawaiian Council to come and help the community in need. They built up a resource center that was built on cultural values. And what we did was we created a wraparound service center very similar to what the federal government did, but we came at it at an angle that was directed to the community that we knew. But one of the first things we did in the very beginning was we made a promise to the community that we would be here for the long haul. Partnering with Hawaiʻi Energy just continues and strengthens that promise that we made to our community. And what we're doing now is offering them these either at no cost appliances through Hawaiʻi Energy, or we're offering them the rebates. So this allows them to use that money that we are offering them, either rebated or free appliances, to put towards something else to get them back home quicker. So this partnership is huge, and a reminder that we're keeping our promise and we're being honest with what we're doing.
Aloha, my name is Vergara, and I am a survivor from the Lahaina wildfires. And the past 2 years have been really challenging for us, for me and my parents who are elderly, and with all the uncertainties, with housing and finances, and with the help of a lot of local agencies and a lot of people who have the heart for really our people. So I want to thank this program for being such a bridge for us to really connecting our ohana back to our home. For some people, it's just appliances they could afford, but for us, it's great help. So, thank you.
And it just goes full circle to know that a lot of these programs that are launched and talked about are not just talk. We do it, we execute it, it makes it full circle. So just having that is where a lot of my love for my community comes out to, the passion to make sure that we are doing it right, doing it pono by our community, my community in particular. One of the very first things I said, make sure that we rise, and this is one of those things that is definitely helping us rise above again.
We're at the home stretch of our rebuilding process, and my parents will finally get to say, I can sleep without worrying about tomorrow because they will be finally home. Thank you.